Hey, John from Mighty here, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys our awesome new mod that allows you to replace the built-in video thumbnail that Articulate Rise creates, which just uses the first frame of your video, but now you can replace that with any thumbnail you want. Let's check it out. All right, so here's my use case that I'm sure many of you run into. I'm building up my course, branding looks great. We eventually get down to my video, but unfortunately my video starts with just a white screen and eventually fades into what I'm actually trying to show off. So when Rise takes a thumbnail image of my video, they just use the first frame, and my video happens to not have a great first frame for this to work. So unfortunately, the learner just doesn't see a good branded experience as they scroll through the course. But now with our ability to replace that thumbnail, you just drop in the new thumbnail image that you want to use, and then that will go ahead and automatically replace the built-in thumbnail that Rise creates, allowing us to have this seamless thumbnail that fits well into my course design. And then as soon as the learner goes to play the video, it will automatically swap into my video content and allow the learner to play that. So there you go, fast, easy way for you to be able to mod your Rise course and add a custom thumbnail to any of your videos. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe because we'll have tons more videos like this that shows you fun little hacks that you can do in Rise to make your courses stand out.